Welcome to the Hitachi ID Systems demo series featuring Bravura Pass. This video will illustrate how a user can quickly and easily perform a self-service password reset for their operating system password. Occasionally, users forget their Windows password and can't log in, which can be frustrating while they wait for someone to help them. This results in expensive help desk calls. Using Hitachi ID Bravura Pass, users can click on a credential-provider tile to quickly get them to a locked-down browser where they can identify themselves, authenticate using alternate credentials, reset their password, and get back to work. To demonstrate a user that cannot log in and needs to use the self-service tile, we will act as the user Morris Lynch. Double-click the Workstation 1 icon to launch an RDP session. For the account, type Morrill. This is Morris's account name. Then, type an incorrect password, for example, Songbird, and click Submit to attempt to log in. As expected, the password is incorrect. Click OK. In the lower left corner, click Change My Password. Type the account name, Morrill, and click Continue. Click Forgot My Password. From here, the user can request that a reset link be sent to their personal email, or answer their security questions. I'll choose the latter. We support multi-factor authentication as well. Answer the questions, which are all set to 1, 2, 3, 4 for demo purposes only. And then click Continue. Bravura Pass supports multiple password policies to satisfy different groups of users and/or target systems. Since we are trying to reset the password for Morris's Active Directory account, we'll select the group that includes the corporate AD target system, and then enter and confirm the new password on the right. Type 5-star hotels, plural. Note that the password policy rules are evaluated dynamically as you type. Any rule violations will appear in red. Type the same again to confirm. Click Change Passwords. We can see that all passwords in the selected group were successfully changed. If any resets failed, they will be automatically retried. We can now log out Morris. Close the full-screen browser window. This will terminate the RDP session with Workstation 1. Open the Thunderbird email application from the desktop, here. From the Postmaster inbox, select the confirmation message sent to Morris Lynch. We can see that his passwords were successfully reset. Close the Thunderbird window. Many organizations integrate their ITSM environment, for example ServiceNow, to have incidents automatically created when specific actions, such as password reset success, occur. We will now look at an ITSM environment. Open the Chrome browser and navigate to the ITSM environment. I'll use ServiceNow in this example. Under All Applications, Service Desk, select Incidents, and click on the incident number to open the ticket. Here we can see the ServiceNow ticket that was created in a closed state. Close the browser window. This concludes our demonstration of self-service password reset from Windows Logon screen using Hitachi ID Bravura Pass. Thanks for tuning in. Hitachi ID offers a range of demonstration and training options. Click to watch more demo videos or to register for training. Visit our website to learn more.